This tutorial is all about Dhila or text stretch animation in After Effects. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, you can see that I have two font layer or two text layer over here. First text, and I have used the font for that, that is the Bird English font over here, and the second font I have used, that is the Berlin Sans FB font. So I have just created these two layers, and first of all, what I will do, I'm just going to animate this Dhila text with the stretch text animation or Dhila text animation. So for that, selecting that layer, right click over here and create shape from the text over here. Now I'm just going to delete this Dhila text layer because we have the now path of our text layer. Let's select that layer and in search area just type the path. So it will open every path layer into the Dhila outline layer, and just give the key on the 0 number frame over here. So yes, we apply the key. Now let's select the layer and press U over here. Now what I will do, just going to jump ahead at, okay, 15 frames. Okay, so we are onto the 15 frame. Give the key again over here to all the path. Then I'm going to jump for the 10 frames and again give the key onto the every path property. Now onto the first keyframe, what we have to do, we have to select all the path. Let me hide my second text layer from over here. Let's select all of them and drag out from the composition first of all. Okay, so that's look good. Now let's come back onto the second keyframe when it's coming back over here. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to make a little bit zoom over here, and let's select this almost this kind of vertex so we can get a properly stretched over here. Now let me drag something this vertex below outside of the composition, or I think yes, it will be good over here. So that's done, and at the end it should be something like over here. So that is also looking good. Now let's select all the keys, press F9, jump into the graph editor, select something like this and drag, create your graph something like that. We are into the speed graph. Now let's come out from over here and let's play the animation once. So you can see that yes, we are getting a really beautiful animation. Now we have to generate one beautiful animation, like if you stretch the rubber and then you leave it, it's go far away. So that kind of animation we want to just generate. So for that, what I will do, I'm just going to create a, first of all, a position animation over here. So I'm going to give the key onto the position and let's press U over here. And I'm just going to shift that key 1, 2. Okay, and let's shift over here. Nice. Then I'm going to jump ahead for the 10 frames and give the key, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames I'm going to be ahead. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frame, and let's apply the key over here also. Now here it is the position, and to the second point, what I will do, I will just take it a little bit up, something like this. Okay, let's take it a little bit more up. That is good. Let's go over here and it's come back onto the same position. Now let's select this graph, press F9, just jump into the graph editor. Now I want to, let's separate the dimension from over here, and let's move this X. We don't need that. Now let's select this one, and I'm just going to drag this over here, something like this. Let's press the shift and like this, and at present I am into the speed graph, guys. So you have to maintain that graph over here. And now what I will do, I'm just going to drag a little bit, something like over here. Okay, so this is my value graph. Now let's, if you don't know how to jump into the value graph, just right click over here and select the value graph from over here. Now it's done. Now let's make it a minimize and let's press U again, come out from the graph editor. Now what exactly I need, I want to show like that when it's fly over there, it's going far away from the camera, kind of that thing. So for that, what we are going to do, when it started from over here, so exactly let's play the animation once. Okay, so we have to drag it little bit inside. Okay, now let's do that. Okay, still we need a little bit inside. Okay, now let's play it again. Yes, it's giving us a proper timing over here, and that's look good enough. Now what I need, I want to make some kind of scale animation over here. So exactly from over here, what I will do, apply the scale and give the key on that one. Let's press U again and let's jump onto the same level over here and give the key to the scale. And from here, I am just going to make a scale little bit down, something like over here. So that's going to be good. Now let's select both the scale property, press F9, just jump into the graph editor, select this, and I'm just going to drag it something like over here. Okay, it's going to be good enough, and let's make something like this graph over here. Now let's play the animation. Okay, we have to little bit move something like from over here. Let's make see again our final output. Yes, that is looking an amazing Dhila text animation in After Effects or a stretch text animation in After Effects. I hope you like this one. So just give a click on like button, share, subscribe, and click onto the bell icon also, so you will get the notification for upcoming tutorials, and also comment how much you learn from this tutorial. Thank you very much. Goodbye.